Assalamu alaikum. How are you everybody? Hope you are well. In this video I'm going to discuss about another brand new machine design. This is inner earloop sealing machine of surgical mask. Okay, so let me show you first what is included in this design folder. At first it has bill of materials of course in Chinese and in English too. Okay, so no need to worry about the language. And here is the electric diagram. Here are some files of electric diagrams, and here you can see the PLC XDP file. And we have CAD drawing. CAD has total 222 design sheet. If I short it like this, here you can see all the files. If I open one of them randomly, then you can see files looks like this. Here is Solidworks 2020 art file, 3D drawings, and here is the engineering drawings, step files, okay, assembly steps. So let me go back here in this folder, and in this folder you can see there are many part file, and we will open the main file, inner earloop machine, and here is the inner earloop machine. Okay, so I'm going to disassemble all of the machines, and I will talk about the working procedure and some other functions of this machine. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all, here you can see there are many part file, and let me check it if there is any missing file. So it looks good still now. So far so good. Okay, so it looks like there are no missing files, and here you can see the different angle view of the machine, and you can get some basic idea about this machine. This machine is a little bit more expensive because you need 4 ultrasonic machine for this one set of earloop sealing machine. Although you need 4 pieces of ultrasonic machine, this machine is high speed machine, and you can get a very good response from this machine. So if I rotate it and start disassembling, then you can see what is inside in the machine. So let's select from outside, and okay, now hide this. Okay, now you can see what is inside. Inside there are 4 pieces of ultrasonic machine, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and there are altogether total 4 sets of cooling fan attached with the machine. Here you can see the plate. Let me hide that. Okay, now here is sprocket, and you need total 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you need the chain, which you can get the chain model number from the bill of material sheet to run this whole mechanism. Okay, and when you run this mechanism by the help of this servo motor, this tray move like this. Okay, and here is the main sealing mechanism, earloop sealing mechanism, inner earloop. And if I zoom a little bit more, then you can see here is one horn and another horn in that side. Two side has 2 horn, and you can see there is a rotatable mechanism head. Okay, and every second this head is moving like this, and every second it is rotating, and there is a sealing head. One is here, another one is in this side. Okay, and by the help of these 2 sealing head, it is just sealing by the help of ultrasonic horn. Okay, after sealing here the mask earloop, it will come here. And here you can see another folding mechanism, and by the help of this folding mechanism it is attaching another piece of wrapping or side locking system with the mask. Here you can see another 2 piece of ultrasonic machine, and by the help of 2 piece another ultrasonic machine, these 2 sides just got locked. Okay, here you can see in the upper head, and in the downside you can see the horn, ultrasonic horn. So this machine, you need 4 set of ultrasonic machine, and definitely that will cost you more money, because ultrasonic machine is the most expensive part in this machine. Okay, so I'm going to hide a big part, all the mechanical part here selected, and here is some sprocket and the belt. I'm going to hide all of them by one click from here. That will give us a little bit more speed, and I will take very low time to discuss everything. Okay, so here you can see here is the output section, and after coming here here is automatic push mechanism, and it is pushing on the conveyor belt. Okay, it is pushing on the conveyor belt, and you can adjust the speed of conveyor belt like 1 2 3 4 5, then the conveyor belt move, then again 1 2 3 4 5, then you can customize your PLC and the program. Okay, so here you can see another motor. There is another motor, and those 2 motors is running at 2 piece of belt. Okay, this 2 piece of belt is just receiving the mask from the machine and just pushing through this way. So I'm going to hide this big part right now. This big part consists of 2 set of ultrasonic machine, the frame, screw, and by the 4 piece of screw the ultrasonic machine just attached with the table. Okay, and here in this side you can see the cooling fan. So I am going to hide all of those set by one click from the left side menu, and I am also going to hide all of the part. We have finished most of the part, and here are some critical part. Here you can see the pneumatics, some rollers, some belt, and some mechanical part. Okay, and now let me show you what is inside of this magic box. I hide this, zoom in a little bit. Okay, there is a mechanical movement here, and here is the motor. By the way, you will get all the parts, details, size and dimensions with the design file. So if you wanna make all those parts by yourself, you can make, or you can buy the spare parts package from China and assemble it by yourself. That will minimize your cost. Okay, and this machine is high-speed machine. You can get around 100 piece of mask, full automatic system. So you can use just one line with your high-speed mask body production machine. Okay, it will be the perfect mess. There is motor, and let me hide the frame. This motor is running one belt, and this belt is connected with another part. Okay, and this part is lifting like this: 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and it is like just taking the earloop and placing just in the right place. Okay, and by the help of sealing head, it is just getting sealed. So you got the basic idea about this machine. Let me hide this big part too. Okay, So now it looks like we are almost done, and we have almost finished our another machine. And let me hide a little bit more and talk a little bit more about this. Okay, this, okay, okay. So now let's get back everything, and here is our machine. Hope this video will be helpful. This is a quick intro of this machine. Hope you understand, and of course staying with us. I will be back with new video with new machine design. Allah Hafiz.